Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Obasi. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this glass morphism effect on Pixellab. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how I was able to create this glass morphism effect using my Pixellab. Alright, so let's go into the video. Alright, the first thing we need to do is to head over to our Pixellab. Yes, I believe you have that already installed in your phone. So let's just head over to Pixellab. So all right, this is our workspace and this is where we are working with. And the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and delete this stuff. Go ahead and delete this and also import a shape. Yeah, import a shape that we want to work with. So I need this to just cover up this space, and I would prefer to work with a black. So I'll just go ahead and change this color to black. Right, change this color to black. Now you need to do next is to bring in the design you want to blur. Okay, let's bring in the design we want to blur. Let's bring in the design that we want to blur. Okay, let's say I want to blur this. Okay, let's just go ahead and use this. Let's say I want to blur this design. Right, so just make it to fit in the screen very well. Alright, click on this. Ensure that it fits in the screen very well. So I'll just go ahead and copy it. I'll just go ahead and copy it. Now we have okay, no, rather before then there's something we need to do. Okay, let's just delete this. Now let's head over to the app I'm going to use to blur it first. So I usually use Pixellab for this, although you can do this online, yes, using blur.com or something, but then I feel this app works just better for me. So I'll just go ahead, and this is the app. You can get it from your Play Store. Yes, Pixellab. All right, so just go ahead and click on it. All right, and click on it. All right, just go ahead and click on it. As soon as it opens up, I'll just click on the plus icon here. Click on the plus icon here. Now just select the image that you want to blur. Here's the image that I want to blur. So I'll just click on FX effects. So go ahead and click on FX effects. They are going to give us different options of blur, like different options, but we are working with this first one, blur. We are working with the first blur. Now as you can see, it just blurred the image for us, and what we need to do here, you can actually adjust this if you want, just to your feel. Depends on how you want it to be. You can adjust it from here. So I think I just want it to be, yeah, this is okay, this is okay, 17 is okay. So I'll just go ahead and click on save. Saved to your gallery. If you, in case you don't know how I got to save it, this is the icon that shows save. Here's the icon that shows save. So it's been saved in our gallery already. So let's go back to Pixellab. Yeah, so let's go back to Pixellab, and now I want to bring in the one we just blurred. That particular one we just blurred. So let's bring it in. Here is it. All right, so here is it. Okay, I'll just ensure that it also fits in the screen very well. Yeah, ensure that it fits in the screen very well. Now what do we need to do? So go ahead and click on your layer, the layer icon, and move the blurred flyer, yes, the blurred image, move it to the back. So let it be at the back of the one that is not blurred. So what do I mean? So just click here and drag it down, so the one that is not blurred can be on top. Yeah, this is basically what I mean. All right, so just ensure it's also at the center. Like I said, ensure it's at the center. All right, so what we need to do here is basically to bring in a shape and fix it in the position of the place you want to put that blur effect. So I want to put the effects just around here, like this. So you can go ahead to just adjust this or just do something like this, so it's still going to be beautiful even after you blur the design. So yeah, so this is just what I need. Now for this, you will have to give this a color that is entirely not in your original design. Yes, you have to give it a color that is not in your original design. So you can see here we have blue, we have this color already, we have yellow, we have white. So I think we don't have this. Perfect. So we don't have this color. So just go ahead and click good. Now we are not done yet. We're almost done rather. Yeah, so let's go ahead and click on your layer. Click on your layer. Now what do we need to do? We want to merge. We are going to merge the shape and the part that is not blurred. Get what I mean? So we are going to merge the shape and this particular image that is not blurred. So go ahead and click on merge. This is your merge. As soon as you select the items you want to merge, you go ahead and click on this. This particular one is the merge. So you go ahead and click on it. Merge. Okay. Yeah, so let's just wait for it to do that. All right, so now we've been able to merge it. So you go ahead and come to your erase color. Yeah, come to your erase color here in Pixellab. Come to your erase color. Ensure you select the one that you merged. Ensure what is selected is the merged image. All right, so click on erase color. Yeah, click on erase color. As soon as you click on erase color, don't mind this. As soon as you click on erase color, just bring this here and pick this color. Ensure that it picks this color. Go ahead and click on good. Perfect. As you can see, we just achieved this simple but then very crazy effect using our Pixellab. Now you can go ahead to adjust, yeah, so that it doesn't have any trace of that color on it. That is just basically what I'm doing now. So if you watch the edges earlier, it had that color around it. So when you increase the tolerance, it fades off entirely. I think this is perfect now. Wow, so that's just it. So this is basically how you can create this blur effect using your Pixellab. You can go ahead to try this in your designs. You can go ahead to, yes, just try it out in your designs and make your designs pop. All right, so if at the time I was watching this video you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, yeah, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to always get notified by YouTube whenever I post helpful video content like this on my YouTube channel. Right? Thank you. See you in my next video. You can share this video to your friends, share this video if you want other creatives to get access to this. All right, bye. See you in my next video.